Hello there, welcome to the YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to be talking about installing Player application to your Fire TV device. And the reason I'm doing this video is because I keep getting comments from you on problems you are facing while installing the application. Why some people are unable to install the application, others are facing passing errors while installing the application. And in this video we are going to solve all of that. So please, I'll highly recommend you watch the video right up to the end. And if you find it helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. So as you can see, here's my Fire TV device that I'm using. And I'm going to start by showing you the application installed to my Fire Stick already. So if I go over to my apps library, here's the Player, and as you can see, it works perfectly on my Fire TV. It is the perfect application. It is the exact application, sorry, and it works perfectly on my Fire TV. So I'm going to be trying to make you or help you install the applications to your Fire TV just like I have already on mine. So please follow attentively. So if you are facing errors while installing the application, there are two reasons. The very first reason, or the very first thing that you might want to check before you try installing the application, is if your Fire TV is allowing you to install or sideload applications. So the new Fire TV Select does not allow sideloading, or it blocks some applications from being sideloaded to Fire Stick. So if you're having the new operating system, that might be an issue. But if you have another Fire TV, go back to your Fire TV settings, just follow attentively. And if you see the developer option, then you are a step away. If you don't see it, go back to the About section and click on Fire TV Stick 4 times or 5 times until there is a pop-up that says no need, you're already a developer. And if you go to this developer option, and on the second option you have this option that says add from unknown sources. If you have this option, then your Fire TV can install applications from unknown sources. If you don't have this option, then your Fire TV will not allow you to install any app, including a Player, from any unknown source to your Fire TV device. So please make sure that you have this. Not all Fire TVs do have this option. So if that is okay, the next thing you want to do is, before you install a new version of the Player application, make sure that you uninstall the old version that you have installed on your Fire TV device. If you try installing a new version on the old version, like updating it, it's not going to work, and you're going to face errors and the application would not install. So before you install a new version of the Player application to your Fire Stick, uninstall any old versions that you have uninstalled before you try installing a new one. So we're going to install this one, and I'll show you totally how to install a new one to your Fire TV device. So as that is uninstalled, this is what to do. First thing, go over to the download application. If you don't know how to install downloader, it's simple. Just go over to your search or app store on Amazon and search downloader, and you get the application. I don't want to waste a lot of time showing you how to install that. So once you're here, click on this link. So type in this link 10.3.8.1. So as you type in on that code, click next on downloader. Once you're here, click on install, and then we are going to install the Unlinked application to our Fire Stick. So click done, delete the app file, just click delete, and then completely delete from your Fire Stick before you go ahead and launch the application. So now I just want to say there are many different ways to install the Player application to your Fire Stick, but I love using this Unlinked method because it is always updated. And also now there are two options to install the application, and I'm going to show you. So that's why I'm installing the Unlinked, and I want to use the Unlinked app to install Player to my Fire TV device. So after installing Unlinked, what you need to do is to go ahead and launch it, and this is how it should look like on your Fire TV device. Remember, I said there are many ways to install Player, but I'm using this method because it is always going to be updated. If the application is outdated, they are going to update a new version. So once you're here, please type in this code. For attentively, this is very important. Type in exactly this code, Fire Stick. So type in Firestick like this, and then go ahead and click enter. So as you click enter, it's going to bring you to this library. So I'm going to be blurring and hiding some parts of this library that I don't want to show on this video. That one is for YouTube policies only. So as you go out to media players on this library, you see there are two options. This is the first and original option of the Player Player application, and you have to start by installing this option to your Fire TV device. If you install this option and if you have passing error, then uninstall it, delete the app, and install the second option. So install the second version if the first version has past errors. So please, this is what you have to do to stop having passing error on your Fire TV. Make sure that you install this particular version to your Fire TV. So click on download. Once you click on download, just go ahead and wait and let the application completely download, and then we'll install it to our Fire TV device. So I've showed you how to install Unlinked, how to use Unlinked to install the player that is not going to have passing error. So I hope you follow the video carefully from the beginning. Please, if your Fire TV does not allow side loading, then no matter what you do, this application is not going to install. And the problem is not the app, the problem is the Fire TV. You might want to get a different streaming device. So now the application is downloaded. Let's go ahead and click on install and click install over here. So just give it a couple of seconds and the application is going to then download and install or install to our Fire TV device. So just give me a couple of seconds. Now the application is installed. I can click on done. You can close this and then you can return home to see the application installed. So if I go over to my app library again and I go over here, as you can see, here is the Player Player application completely installed to my Fire TV device, and I can go ahead and start using it. So Player Player is just a player. They do not provide content. It is just a media player that you can use to play both local content on your Fire TV device and online content on your Fire TV device. So that's how to install it. So please, I wanted to make sure that in this video you do not have any problems installing the Player Player application to your Fire TV. And I'm going to just give you a recap of the problems that you might face. The first problem is the app not installing. If the app is not installing, you have to start by making sure that your operating system allows side loading on your Fire TV. If it allows, then go ahead and install the application to your Fire TV. The second option is that you have to make sure that you uninstall the old version before you install any new version of the application to your Fire TV device. Don't try to install a new version or update a new version on the outdated version. It is not going to work. And secondly, use this method that I've shown you and install the second version so that you will have no passing error while installing the application to your Fire TV device. So that's it about this video. Please, if you found it helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And let me know in the comment section if you found any other issues with the application.